Good morning, dear students. I am Sarbeswar Rout, Acharya of SSBM, Dhenkanal. Welcome to all of you, my dear students of class 8. Today, we have discussed about our comprehension question of accident. So, dear students, while I have explained your comprehension question, please listen carefully and try to understand what is the theme of the comprehension. So, dear students, the first question is, what is the poem about? What is the poem about? The poem, we know also that the poem is about avoid road accident. The second question is, how many persons are there in the first stanza? I have also said you that there are 3 persons in the first stanza. Who are they? They are the poet. First is the poet, and the second is the worker, and the third is his friend. The third question is, what are they doing? What are they doing? Uh, they are walking on the first, his friend walking on the road, and his friend without looking, or one person is starting to run on the street without looking left side and right side. At that time, his friend warning to him about road accident. How did he walk up the street? He walked up the street without looking both left side and right side, without looking carelessly. Then, did he look left and right side? No, he did not look left side and right side. The question number 5. Which line in the first stanza says that he was unmindful? He was unmindful. The second line that he was very unmindful. With his head in the air, he did not see the car. In the second line, the stanza says that he was unmindful. The question number 6. The poet has used did not 4 times in the poem. Why? Why should the poet used did not in the 4 times in the poem? Because we have know that the walker was walking. The walker was passing on the road. While he was passing on the road, he was very careless. He was very careless of the walker. So the poet was described in the poem did not 4 times because the carelessness of the walker. Number 7. He did not do these 4 things, but he did one thing. He did not do these 4 things, but did one thing. What was it? It was run. When he was walking on the road, when he was crossing on the busy road, at that time he was running. Number 8. Are the first stanza and the second stanza similar or different? Both are different. What should you do when you want to cross the road? When the students, when we want to cross a busy road, at first you have look both left side and right side. If there is no vehicle, if there is no sound coming, so you can go ahead. You can go now. You can passing across the road. Question number 10. How many times the word he is used in the poem? How many times the word is he is used in the poem? In the poem, the word is he is used in the 7 times. In the 7 times. Why? Why? Because the worker was not attentive. The worker was not attentive while he was walking on the road. Next question. Who does you in the second stanza refer to? Dear students, I have also said you in the second video class that you means the reader, or also you. Question number 12. What advice does the poet give us through this poem? In this poem, what advice does the poet give us? In the poem, the poet has give us a suggestion, a advice. While we have walking on the busy road, at first we have looking both sides. If the road is clear, then you can go ahead. If the road is not clear, we should obey the traffic rules. Dear students, remember while you are crossing the road at first, you have always obey the traffic rules, or you should obey the traffic rules. Then what rules should we follow for the road safety? We should look both sides attentively. First, we should look both sides. Second is, while we have crossing the busy road, at first we have listen attentive. If their car is coming, if the vehicle is coming, so at first you have listen attentive. If there is no vehicle coming on the road, then you can go now. The third is not run on the road while you are crossing on a busy road. So dear students, we should follow for the road safety on these rules. The 15th question number 15. When do we observe road safety week? In our Odisha, we have observed the road safety week in the month of January. January 11, the date of 11 January to date of 70 January. In a week, how many days? 6 days. 11 January to 17 January. Okay, very good.